In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an essay with Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank page to a clear, well-structured draft using Jasper's built-in tools, without getting stuck on what to say or how to say it. Start by opening Jasper and heading to the home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access the tools, recent projects, and quick actions. If you don't land on it automatically, look to the left side navigation and click Home to make sure you're in the right place. Being on home keeps everything visible and easy to reach. Next, find the Ask Jasper Anything field. This is the conversational area where you can give Jasper clear instructions in plain language. Think of it like a smart writing assistant that responds directly to what you type. The more specific you are here, the better your results will be. Click into the prompt field and get ready to guide the model. Your prompt is your blueprint. It tells Jasper what to write, how long it should be, and the perspective or structure you're aiming for. A precise prompt reduces back and forth and leads to cleaner output on the first try. Type this request. Write a 500-word essay on the causes and effects of climate change. This works well because it sets a target length and a focused topic with two clear sections, causes and effects. You can also think about tone and audience as you write prompts in general, academic, informative, or persuasive. But for now, keeping it straightforward helps Jasper produce a balanced, organized draft. Once your prompt is in, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will process your request and begin drafting. You'll see text appear as the system outlines the main ideas and fills in supporting details. Give it a moment to complete the response so you can view the full essay. When Jasper suggests a recommended format or template for the draft, choose Use, then click Generate Now. Use applies Jasper's suggested structure, and Generate Now creates the complete essay based on your prompt and the recommended setup. This combination helps ensure the output is coherent, flows logically from introduction to conclusion, and stays close to the requested length. After the essay appears, read it from top to bottom for clarity and completeness. Look for a clear thesis, logical transitions between causes and effects, and a concise closing. If anything feels off, you can refine your prompt next time with small adjustments. That's it. You've used Jasper to produce a solid essay draft quickly and confidently,